the winner of the Humanitarian Award, Mrs. Neeta Mukesh Ambani.
Neeta Ambani, you are not just loved and known so well in India, you are in fact known across the world. You can't change the world, but you can do your bit, and my goodness, you do so much. Thank you so much.
Namaskar. Thank you for this honor. Throughout my journey, I've been guided by the timeless Indian principles of Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. I firmly believe that women will play the most important role in making the world a better place. This century belongs to women. For what women cannot do, cannot be done.
In the realm of high society, where opulence meets influence, few names command as much attention and curiosity as Neeta Ambani, the formidable force behind India's wealthiest family, the Ambanis. Yet, amidst the glitz and glamour, whispers persist of a less glamorous trait, sombong, a term that translates to arrogance. But what lies beneath this perception, and is there more to the story? Neeta Ambani's journey from a modest upbringing to one of India's most powerful women is nothing short of inspiring. As the wife of Mukesh Ambani, the chairman of Reliance Industries, she wields significant influence in both business and philanthropy circles. Her initiatives in education, sports, and healthcare have earned her widespread acclaim and admiration. However, behind the facade of success, accusations of arrogance or sombong have occasionally surfaced. Critics point to instances of ostentatious displays of wealth, extravagant parties, and a perceived air of superiority. Yet, to reduce Neeta Ambani to a mere caricature of arrogance would be a disservice to her multifaceted persona. Peeling back the layers, one discovers a woman driven not only by ambition but also by a deep-rooted desire to make a difference. Neeta Ambani's philanthropic endeavors, such as the Reliance Foundation, have impacted millions of lives across India, providing access to healthcare, education, and livelihood opportunities for the underprivileged. When discussing her impact on education, Neeta Ambani has been actively involved in promoting education, particularly through the Reliance Foundation, which she chairs. The foundation has undertaken various initiatives to improve access to quality education for underprivileged children in India. This includes setting up schools, providing scholarships, and implementing innovative educational programs. Turning to healthcare, Neeta Ambani played a crucial role in advancing healthcare initiatives through the Reliance Foundation. The foundation has established hospitals, clinics, and healthcare programs aimed at providing affordable and quality healthcare services to marginalized communities. Additionally, she has been involved in initiatives focused on maternal and child health, preventive healthcare, and combating diseases such as tuberculosis. In terms of sports development in India, Neeta Ambani is deeply passionate about sports and has been instrumental in promoting sports development in India. She is the founder and chairperson of the Indian Super League, ISL, a professional football league in India. Through the ISL and other initiatives, she has worked to nurture young talent, promote grassroots sports programs, and support athletes across various disciplines. Regarding rural development, particularly in Mumbai, Neeta Ambani has spearheaded numerous rural development projects aimed at empowering rural communities and enhancing their livelihoods. The Reliance Foundation has undertaken initiatives in areas such as agriculture, water conservation, renewable energy, and skill development to uplift rural populations and promote sustainable development. When it comes to disaster relief, Nita Ambani and the Reliance Foundation have been actively involved in providing disaster relief and rehabilitation assistance during times of crisis. Whether it's natural disasters like floods or earthquakes or humanitarian crises, the foundation has mobilized resources and provided aid to affected communities, demonstrating a commitment to humanitarian causes. Moreover, her passion for promoting Indian art and culture through initiatives like the Dhirubhai Ambani International School and the Reliance Foundation Cultural Center reflects a commitment to preserving and celebrating the nation's heritage. It is essential to recognize that perceptions of arrogance are often shaped by societal biases and preconceptions. In a patriarchal society, successful women are sometimes unfairly labeled as arrogant or intimidating, merely for asserting their authority and ambition. Nita Ambani's journey serves as a testament to the complexities of navigating the intersection of wealth, power, and gender. While she may exude confidence and assertiveness, these qualities should not be misconstrued as arrogance. Instead, they are the hallmarks of a woman who has defied expectations and shattered glass ceilings in a male-dominated world. In conclusion, the narrative surrounding Nita Ambani and her alleged arrogance is a nuanced one, fraught with societal perceptions and biases. While her lavish lifestyle and high-profile status may invite scrutiny, it is crucial to acknowledge her contributions to society and the challenges she has overcome. Perhaps, in understanding the woman behind the headlines, we can move beyond superficial judgments and appreciate the complexities of her journey. Hey there, amazing viewers! If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Your support means the world to us. Also, don't forget to comment on what topic you'd like us to cover in our next video. Your feedback fuels our content creation. While you're here, be sure to check out some of our other videos related to today's topic for more insightful content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.